If you're worried about or dealing with rhinitis, allergies, nasal congestions and infections, or snotting and runny nose, DeepCozy can help you to clean out mucus, allergies, dust, and germs. If you are new to nasal washing or traveler, the DeepCozy squeeze bottle is perfect for you. It works better than a gravity bottle for squeezing the bottle to create pressure that gravity can't. Let's see what's inside the box. You will find a DeepCozy squeeze bottle, 30 cl packet, a thermometer stickers, and its instructions manual in there. Here are a few things you should know before using it. First, make sure to use distilled water, purified water, or cold boiled tap water. For your safety, avoid using regular tap water, spring water, or any contaminated water. Also, don't hit the bottled water fire or in the microwave. How to use it? Just follow the simple steps. First, must wash your hands. Next, open the silent packet and pour them into the bottle. Add the distilled water or cold boiled tap water, then give it a good shake to distill the mixture. If you're not sure about the thermometer, if it's too hot or too cold, just use our temperature sticker to make sure. Stand in front of the sink and keep your mouth open. Just breathe normally, you don't have to tilt your hand. Place the cap against your nasal passage and gently squeeze the bottle until the solution starts falling from the side to the other side. Keep squeezing gently until you use at least half of the water. Then switch to the other side and repeat. This is the first nasal ride bottle made by silicone on the market. It is super easy to squeeze. Gently blow your nose to remove the salt water and relieve the pressure of the eardrums. Use distilled water or cold boiled tap water to clean the bottle and cap. Turn the bottle upside down on a paper towel to dry. Once they're dry, put the lid back on to keep out any dust. Make sure to keep your mouth open when you use it. If you keep your mouth closed or hold your breath, you might experience leaks, backfall or blocked passages, or even a headache. I hope this video helps you. Let's breathe easier with DeepCozy.